Welcome to the Land Before Time animated movie book. Enter your name and click on the OK button to begin. To explore the Land Before Time, move the cursor to a chapter you want to go to or click on the Read button. Long ago, in the age of dinosaurs, the birth of a young one was a special occasion. Littlefoot's arrival into the world was no different.
Here I am.
Though Littlefoot's mother was happy, she was worried for her son. The land was dying. Every day, food became harder to find.
Once upon this same earth, beneath this same sun, long before you, before the ape and the elephant as well, before the wolf, the bison, the whale, before the mammoth and the mastodon, in the time of the dinosaurs. Come on! Now the dinosaurs were of two kinds. Some had flat teeth and ate the leaves of trees, and some had sharp teeth for eating meat, and they preyed upon the leaf eaters. Then it happened that the leaves began to die. The mighty beasts who appeared to rule the earth were ruled in truth by the leaf. Desperate for food, some of the dinosaur herds struck out toward the west, searching for the Great Valley, a land still lush and green. It was a journey toward life.
One day, Littlefoot's mother spied a single green leaf hanging on a branch. It was a tree star, the longneck's most sacred food.
Littlefoot, quickly, come here. Look, up there. A tree star. It is very special.
Tree star.
It is very special, and it'll help you grow strong. Where we are going, there are so many of these leaves. Come along.
Littlefoot's mother spoke of a great valley far away, close to where the sun touched the ground. There, they would find many tree stars.
Gee.
The road to the Great Valley was a lonely one for Littlefoot. Then one day he met a small three-horn named Cera playing nearby. As soon as Cera and Littlefoot started playing together, however, Cera's dad came between them. He told them to stop.
Three horns never play with long necks.
Long neck?
Littlefoot's mother told him that different kinds of dinosaurs never played together. Littlefoot didn't understand. They were having fun.
Why can't I play with that three-horn? We were having fun.
Well, we all keep to our own kind. The three horns, the spike tails, The swimmers, the flyers, we never do anything together.
Why?
Well, because we're different. It's always been that way.
Well, why?
Oh, don't worry so much. When we reach the Great Valley, there will be many, many long necks for you to play with.
I wish we were there now.
Well, it's a long way yet. Past the great rock that looks like a long neck, and past the mountains that burn. Still a long way, but we'll get there.
That night, Littlefoot met Cera again. She was chasing a hopper. She said the frog was hers and would not share it with a long neck.
That's my hopper. I saw him first.
Pretty soon, however, they were having a great time together. Cera nearly forgot that she wasn't supposed to like Littlefoot. Suddenly, there was a loud crash. Cera and Littlefoot had been having so much fun, they didn't see the sharp tooth coming.
This way. Come back! You're going the wrong way!
After Littlefoot and Cera escaped Sharptooth, a great earthshake cracked the land apart.
In this time of the clash of continents, a great earthquake split the land. Herds were divided. Families were cut in two. Littlefoot was separated from his grandparents. Cera was on one side of the divide. Her parents were on the other.
Littlefoot was scared and all alone. Littlefoot found his mother that night. She was badly hurt and could not stand up. Later, the memory of it made his stomach hurt.
Dear sweet Littlefoot, do you remember the way to the Great Valley?
I guess so. But why do I have to know? You're gonna be with me.
I'll be with you, even if you can't see me.
What do you mean if I can't see you? I can always see you.
Littlefoot, let your heart guide you. It whispers, so listen closely.
Mother? Mother?
Later, an old one named Rooter told Littlefoot his mother would live on in his heart. He must go on alone for the circle of life to continue.
You pay attention, old Rooter.
I miss her so much.
Littlefoot remembered his mother's words.
Follow the bright circle past the great rock that looks like a long neck and past the mountains that burn. I'll be in your heart, Littlefoot.
If he listened with his heart, he would reach the great valley and be happy once again. One day Littlefoot stopped to rest by a watering hole. He was tired and hungry. Most of all, he was lonely. Before long, though, Littlefoot met a swimmer named Ducky. She was all alone, too.
I lost my family in the big earth shake.
They agreed to travel together to the Great Valley.
You want to go with me?
While they were looking for food, they met a small flyer named Petrie.
My name Petrie.
Petrie was alone, too. He wanted to travel with them.
Don't step on a crack or you'll fall and break your back. My stomach is talking. Mine too. I wonder what this tastes like. Ah! He is talking. No, it isn't. You should not eat talking trees. Nope, nope, nope. Who are you? Huh?
My name Petrie.
Petrie, huh? Funny name.
I flied?
No, you followed.
I fall.
A short time later, they met Cera. She told them all about meeting Sharptooth alone in a cave.
I was all alone with him in the dark. Just the Sharptooth and me.
She left out the part about being scared.
Sharptooth is dead!
Cera's story was interrupted by a munching sound. It came from the nest behind them. It was a baby spiketail who had just hatched.
You are a spiketail, so we will call you Spike.
Littlefoot became the leader of the strangest herd of dinosaurs the world had ever seen. Together, they set out for the Great Valley. The herd followed water until they found a small grove of trees.
I smell water. I smell tree stars! Ooh, look! Green food! The Great Valley! I found it! Stop it! I found it! Earthshake! We've got to get out of here! That way! Come on! Come on! Spike! Hurry up! Ducky! Spike! Get out of there! They're eating our food! Look what they're doing. They're so greedy. What about me? I'm still hungry.
You hungry? I empty all the way to the top. Now we at the Great Valley and still got no green foods. Oh, we be hungry forever.
Oh, Petrie, Cera was wrong. This isn't the Great Valley. Oh, it is not a great anything. Nope.
The top of one tree had just enough green food left for them to eat.
Your floor looks so ridiculous.
That night, they snuggled together to keep warm and went to sleep. It was a peaceful evening, and a full moon lit up the sky. The next morning, they woke to a horrible sound.
Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Hey, stop that. Sharp tooth. Cera, stop it. He'll eat us. He'll eat us. Run! Stop! Come back!
It was Sharptooth. Cera had told them he was still alive. Littlefoot believed her now. With Sharptooth nearby, they had to keep moving. Just as they were starting to lose hope, they found the rock shaped like a long neck.
Littlefoot.
Look! It's the rock that looks like a long neck.
Even after they found the rock shaped like a long neck, the journey was very difficult.
I'm leaving. Cera, we have to keep following the bright circle. I'm taking the easy way for once. But it's the wrong way! Who says? My mother. Then she was the stupid long neck too. Take that back! Never! Take it back! No! Spike!
Oh, Spike! Stop! Oh.
You! Let go of my leg! Take that!
Cera was sure that she could find an easier way. Cera led the herd the wrong way through the mountains that burn.
Go boy!
Luckily, Littlefoot heard them call for help and rushed to the rescue.
Cera, I fall off! Oh, Cera, Ducky, Spike! Let him! Ducky! Spike! Oh, Petrie, I'm so happy!
That's Petrie!
A short time later, they found a deep lake. When Sharptooth suddenly showed up, they all scrambled for a place to hide. Littlefoot knew that Sharptooth could not swim. He quickly made a plan to get rid of the monster for good.
Let's get rid of him once and for all. Look, we'll coax him to the deep end of the pond. He can't swim with those scrawny arms. Me and Spike will go up and push that big rock on top of his head, and then he'll fall off into the water. Petrie, you whistle when he's just at the right spot, where the water gets dark. Now we need some bait.
Me? Oh, no. No.
Working together, they made Sharptooth sink to the bottom of the lake.
Push, Spike! Push with all your might!
The plan had worked, and they were all safe and sound.
Petrie! You're safe! Yep.
Littlefoot followed a beautiful cloud in the sky to the edge of a waterfall.
Littlefoot,
Looking down, he saw the great valley. He had found it. Littlefoot looked out across the beautiful green valley. He knew they would live happily ever after, just as his mother had told him. The end. Click on the shapes with 4 sides. Way to go! Click on the first and last circles. That's it! Welcome to Littlefoot's Picture Puzzles. Would you like some help getting started? Way to go! You did it! Now click the Print button to print out this scene, click the Scramble button to do this puzzle again, or click the Return button to go back to the story. Welcome to Littlefoot's Picture Puzzles. Would you like some help getting started? Way to go! You did it! Now click the Print button to print out this scene, click the Scramble button to do this puzzle again, or click the Return button to go back to the story. Hello! Click on the matching shapes. Way to go! Click on the shape in the middle. That's it! Congratulations! You've unlocked the Great Fossil Hunting Grounds. Click on the Trilobite Fossil button in the lower right-hand corner of the screen to play the game. Welcome to the Great Fossil Hunting Grounds. Click on an area you want to explore and let the fun begin. The Great Fossil Hunting Grounds are full of fascinating fossils for you to find. Can you locate these ancient creatures in the picture above? The stonefly lived and hunted for food among the plants and rocks near rivers and lakes. The worm lizard lived on worms and insects that it found while burrowing in the ground. The giant salamander is the largest salamander ever known to have roamed the earth. It grew to nearly 6 feet in length. The flying lizard lived in wooded areas where it hunted for insects to eat. The land snake was a prehistoric ancestor to today's snakes. It fed on small animals and insects. The giant goanna lizard was a ferocious meat-eater that grew to nearly 20 feet in length. Way to go! Archaeologists from around the world will know your name. To explore another area, click the Return button.
Here I am.
Congratulations! You've unlocked the Swamp Bubble Spelling Bee. Click on the Bumblebee button in the lower right-hand corner of the screen to play the game. Welcome to Cera and Littlefoot's Swamp Bubble Spelling Bee. Start the game by clicking on the 3-letter word button, the 4-letter word button, or the 5-letter word button. Click on the letters you need as they appear in the swamp bubbles. Can you spell the word fly? F. Y. L. Fly. Click on the letters you need as they appear in the swamp bubbles. Can you spell the word fish? S. F. I. H. Fish. Congratulations! You've unlocked Littlefoot's Pathfinder puzzles. Click on the green leaf button in the lower right-hand corner of the screen to play the game. Click on the shape that is different. Way to go! Click on the matching objects. That's it! Welcome to Littlefoot's Pathfinder Puzzles. Listen to the question, then click on the trail of objects to lead Littlefoot to his destination. Have fun! Show Littlefoot the way to the big tree by following the trail of green leaves.
What kind of dinosaur always did well in school? The Braintosaurus.
Show Littlefoot the way to the big tree by following the trail of stems with only one berry.
What do you call a traveling dinosaur? A velociraptor.
Help! Congratulations! You've unlocked the Dinosaur Name Game. Click on the Skull Fossil button in the lower right-hand corner of the screen to play the game. Click on the solid shapes. Way to go!
See ya!
Welcome to the Dinosaur Name Game, where we ask the question, can you name that dinosaur? See how much you really know about dinosaurs by clicking on one of our mystery guess outlines. Do you know this dinosaur's name? Drag the bones into place and learn more about this ancient Earth walker. Try to guess the dinosaur's name before you complete the puzzle. This dinosaur is best known for its clubbed tail and armored plates that protected it from harm. This dinosaur most likely lived alone in wooded areas and fed on small plants. Despite this dinosaur's armor plating, some scientists believe that it was able to run quickly when in danger. This dinosaur's most vulnerable spot was its soft underbelly that had little protective armor. Congratulations! You did it! This dinosaur's name is Apatosaurus. To print out this dinosaur's fun fact sheet and an outline for you to color in, click the Print button now. To try to identify another one of our mystery dinosaurs, click the Choose Puzzle button. Do you know this dinosaur's name? Drag the bones into place and learn more about this ancient Earth walker. Try to guess the dinosaur's name before you complete the puzzle. This dinosaur is best known for the large sail on its back and its powerful crocodile-like jaws. Some scientists believe that this dinosaur lived near lakes and rivers, eating the fish that lived in them. Some scientists think that the large sail collected the sun's warmth to heat the dinosaur's cold blood. This dinosaur's name means thorn lizard.
Congratulations! You did it! This dinosaur's name is Spinosaurus. To print out this dinosaur's fun fact sheet and an outline for you to color in, click the print button now. To try to identify another one of our mystery dinosaurs, click the Choose Puzzle button.